like 2 p.m. y'all, and your girl is starving. I want something to eat, okay? I've been waiting all week for this food, so.
Get comfy, grab your drink, and let me preface this video by saying, ladies, if you cook this dish for your man, I promise you, he's not leaving home, okay? This food will keep him satisfied and filled for days. He's not going anywhere. Believe that.
Eventually.
Alright you guys, so here I'm chopping up the vegetables that I will be placing in the legume. I'm starting off by chopping the chayote as well as some eggplant. Some people call it aubergine. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce that. Then I'm going in with some celery, chopping up my celery as well. So I don't know who I thought I was at this point. It's giving chef. Then I'm putting that in some water with oil so that it doesn't burn at the bottom of the pot. Then I'm cutting up my cabbage. So basically I like to remove the outer layer of it because you know these are the parts that are prone to dirt. People are always touching it in the store. So I like to remove that, rinse it, and then get to work. Vibing to some Haitian music as I'm cooking. Listen, you have no idea how long I've been craving for some Haitian legume, okay? And I'm not in a position where I can get it from a store or buy it from a restaurant, so I had to make it myself. So here I'm salting the vegetables and adding that cabbage into another pot because my pot isn't big enough to do everything in a single pot, so I had to improvise. Look at me. Then I'm going with some oil again so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. Okay, of course I'm gonna have a mini concert in the kitchen because that's self-therapy, okay? I do the same when it's cleaning, when I've done the whole house. Listen, I need to release that energy. I need to move my body. At this point, my piece is ready. You can see that I am blending it with some garlic. And I'm going in with some scoops of peas with some coconut milk as well because I like my sauce creamy and rich. So now that my peas is blended, I'm going to strain that. I wanted a very thinner strainer, but I had to make do with what I had. But the sauce came out great, so it's not a lot of pie in it. So what I'm doing here is adding that blended sauce to a pot, adding some extra peas, going in with some butter, my herbs and spices because we don't want no bland sauce pot, and my special homemade piece that I've blended myself that takes my food to a whole nother level, okay? You cannot find this in the stores, let me tell you. Here, essentially, what I'm doing is checking on my vegetables, making sure that they're as soft as I want them to be because we're gonna be squashing it very shortly.
"11 minutes later.
Now that the veggies are ready, what I'm doing now is taking it out of the pot, putting it into a bowl so that I can better squash it because it's not advisable to smash it or squash it while it's in this hot pan. You can risk severe burns and casualties in the kitchen. almost done. My meat I've already had on the stove. I'm going in with some spices, some all-purpose seasoning. And then I'm going in with some mixed herbs, some thyme, some Italian herbs, some paprika, some garlic paste, some crushed chili, some black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, and then I'm mixing that and giving it a good stir. Then I'm going in with my Haitian Legume, homemade, and then I'm going in with some hot chili pepper. Then I'm puncturing that with some cloves as well. Now I'm dumping my legume in there. Then I'm going to give it a good stir to make sure that all of that goodness is well saturated. And then I'm going to leave it for a little, let it thicken. Here's my white rice that is going to be a part of the meal. Then I'm checking back on the legume here, giving it another stir, making sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, and the final product. Now, I obviously need to work on my presentation, but listen, it's all going in the same place, okay? And let me know down in the comments what food you'd like me to try out. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I don't know how to cook it, then I'm not gonna try it. But you never know. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Smash the notification bell so you don't miss any time I drop a video. Maybe I'll do a better presentation in the next video. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, my love. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this food was pleasing. And I will see you in the next one.